This is Dr. Chaitra, dental practitioner at Sadhguru Sai Dental Clinic, Whitefield. I'm a member of KSDC and I studied at MRADC. As you all know, 1 year back, the world completely shut down, reason being SARS-CoV-2 virus outbreak. It became my duty daily to follow the news and information about the virus and follow the growing number of cases day by day. When I received a WhatsApp forward regarding COVID tele-volunteering, I decided to join. I was put into a COVID positive telecalling volunteers for doctors by step 1. We were trained by senior doctors about handling the doubts of COVID positive patients over phone, triaging and submitting the data for further action through an app called Freshdesk. Initially I was assigned Delhi and Delhi was at its peak that time. Later, I was shifted to Bangalore. One instance which I remember in particular, a worried and anxious husband standing in front of Victoria Hospital for 3 continuous days and nights. He was not aware of his wife's condition who was admitted inside. She was pregnant and COVID positive. Through my step 1 group, I got to know that the mother and the baby are doing fine. So I passed this information to the man who was really waiting to get any kind of news, and finally he was relieved and happy and he went back home. There are a lot more instances like this. The satisfaction I get at the end of the day that I have saved a life when I have arranged an ambulance, or I've cleared doubts of any person, an anxious new mother, a concerned husband, a parent, a worried son or a daughter, that their kith and kin are safe and doing good. The joy I experience when my words calm an entire family and it makes their days less stressful, when I hear the anxiety melting down in their voices, the joy that someone's day is becoming better because of my words, it was immense to me. I always wanted to give back something to the society, and this was the best time and the best possible opportunity, especially during the pandemic times. I would like to thank Step 1 for this amazing opportunity. The senior doctors, the technical team, they are there 24/7. I urge the other doctors to step in and then join the team. Thank you, Step 1. Thanks a lot. Gratitude to you.